smashing trash, spinning drum wheel. How does the company keep safety first on this process?
Yeah, absolutely. Great question. So I think it really starts with, we work with CNS. We do our medical cards with you guys. We have a drug policy and some other things that we need to do and monitor through you guys, and you guys help us with that, which is great. So it starts there and having a really good foundation. And then what we do is we work, we have some different apps that we use. So we use GeoTab in our world. And that basically is daily pre-trips and post-trips, monthly checkups. If there's issues, we report everything through there. So we had an issue the other day where we had a small hydraulic leak. It was an O-ring, right? Some O-rings need to be replaced out. And, noted in there and things like that. Some stuff my crew can do on their own. Yeah. Some stuff we have local partners that we leverage and we work with. But one of the things that we do is we like to do monthly toolbox talks. So as a team, we sit down and we talk about, hey, cold weather operation or power lines or some basic maintenance stuff. We just did a basic maintenance thing the other week of just literally going through, inspecting the boom, looking for cracks, looking at the grease, make sure the grease distribution was good. So we're really big on preventative maintenance. Nice. And by doing preventative maintenance, they're learning the truck, they're understanding, they're asking questions as a team, we're talking about it, we're having some fun. So we really try to leverage create a learning environment and a safe environment. So safety is number one.